Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add a blue light card to your Apple Wallet. Alright, so let's begin. So first you want to open the Settings app on your iPhone. And once you're in there, if you scroll until you see Wallet and Apple Pay option, and if you just go ahead and tap on that, this will take you to your Wallet and Apple Pay settings. At the top, you'll see your current cards. Below that there's a button for Add Card. Press on this, and it may take a moment to load. Next, it will ask you what kind of card you want to add. So for a blue light card, you'll select either a debit or credit card. After that, tap the blue Continue button at the bottom. Now position your debit or credit card in the frame to scan it. If you have your card handy, hold it in front of the camera and it will capture the card details for you and add it directly to your Apple Wallet. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can tap the button at the bottom to enter the card details manually. You can input the card number and any other required information to add your blue light card to your Apple Wallet. So that's basically how you can add a blue light card to your Apple Wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.